You mean you can go number 2 in here? I really like the fan, except you have one that's a little more powerful. You know I'm on a high fiber diet. Outdoor shower. Ain't nobody sleeping naked in this house. So if you have an outdoor shower, you shower like this, or how does that work? Now I see why RVing is so popular. So everyone actually showers naked outside? I like this. Hey, by the way, is there a law against mother-in-laws riding in here? Or maybe the kids can play in here. Solar prep is super important for us. Me and my wife, we want to live off the grid, except we still want to have internet. So man, this is a really tiny cooktop. Do you have to have tiny little skillets flown in from El Paso? George. I really like this. So let me ask you a question. Does this make more room inside? I really like this. So when it goes in, do you push it in, or how does that work? So I love the slide out. Now, where does it go when it goes in? Wow, 15-inch tires, Castle Rock. Those are the best tires made in China. 9,000 pounds. Wow, I wonder if my Prius could pull this. No problem. Wow. 9,000 pounds? Well, they say my half tank can pull 10. Wow, a leash lash? Reminds me of Six Flags. You ever see those parents with their kids with those leashes? Full harness? A leash lash. A leash latch? Say that 10 times. Leash lash, leash lash, leash latch, leash latch, leash latch, leash latch, leash latch, leash latch.